you ever struggle to come up with new content ideas for future YouTube videos? Don't worry, because now you can use the new Research tab in YouTube Analytics to explore what your viewers are searching for on YouTube without even leaving YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 uses for the new Research tab. You'll learn how to explore the top searches on YouTube by topic, how to explore the search terms relevant to your channel based upon what your viewers are searching for, how to rate the search volume for a specific keyword, how to see if a search term is currently trending on Google Trends, and how to save your search terms so you can view them later. And you can do all this research right from within your YouTube channel without even leaving YouTube, so you save a ton of time. Let's explore the top searches across YouTube by topic. This allows you to explore the top search topics made by your audience or other viewers across YouTube in the last 28 days. You can also view the content gaps and if the search volume is ranked high, medium, or low. Click on Analytics in YouTube Studio, then click on Research. Under searches across YouTube, enter your search term. If I enter YouTube monetization, I can see that YouTube monetization search volume on YouTube is high. Monetization on YouTube, search volume is high, and YouTube Shorts monetization, search volume is high. This is all across YouTube. Now if I click the 3 dots, I can go to Google Trends to see if it's trending. And as you can see, this is the interest over time. These are the interest by region, showing the top countries where they're most interested. I can also save this term, remove it, or report it. So I'm going to click Save. Later, I'll discuss the pros and cons of using the Research tab and give my best recommendation on how to use it. Here's how to find content gaps. A content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for and the results they find. This happens when viewers can't find any results for their searches, viewers can't find an exact match for their searches, viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches, for example, the content is old or low quality. Using a content gap is a great way to start researching videos that don't exist or could be improved. Click the drop down next to all searches, click Content Gaps Only, click Apply. How to on monetization on YouTube is a content gap with medium search volume on YouTube. So I can go to Google Trends and I can see the interest over time and the countries that have the most interest. I've also got a content gap for how to check monetization on YouTube. So this is medium search volume. If I click on the 3 dots, go to Google Trends, then I can see that there's a spike in interest for April 10th to 16th, 2022. So I've just discovered there's a content gap for the keyword phrase, how to check monetization on YouTube. Here's how to explore the search terms relevant to your own YouTube channel. This research shows the search terms your audience and similar viewers on other channels are searching for on YouTube in the last 28 days. You can also view the search volume and see if it's ranked low, medium, or high to determine if you should use that particular keyword phrase. If you click on your viewers searches, you'll be able to explore the search terms relevant to your channel based upon what your viewers and viewers of channels like yours are searching for on YouTube. The first search term makes no sense, but the second search term might be a good one to go after, how to create a YouTube channel. So I've got a search volume on YouTube ranked high. If I click on the 3 dots, it says more. I can go to Google Trends. This will show me the interest over time and the interest by region. I can also save the search term for later. So if I click Save, then I've got that icon next to my search term. I can remove the search term and I can report. What if I only want to find the content gaps? If I click drop down, select Content Gaps Only, click Apply. Now it shows the content gaps for my channel. As you can see, some of the search terms don't make any sense. This one might make sense. How to download YouTube videos on laptop. It says there's a content gap. Search volume is high. If I click on the 3 dots, go to Google Trends, I can see that it is trending at the current moment. So I want to save this for later. Click Save. And then I've got the colored icon next to it. Here's how to use saved searches. This report allows you to view the saved search terms. Click on Saved. So I've got how to get more views on YouTube. Search volume on YouTube is ranked high. I can check it on Google Trends. I can unsave it and I can report it. Also got how to download YouTube videos on laptop. Search volume on YouTube is ranked high. If I go to Google Trends, I can see it's currently trending for this particular dates. Saving the search terms you previously researched allows you to go back and continue to research so you can create a video series. Here's how to send feedback to improve YouTube's research feature. Click Send Feedback. It says your feedback will directly help the team to make improvements. Overall, how useful is this card? not all useful, slightly useful, moderately useful, very useful, extremely useful. Then you can explain your response and tell YouTube how to improve this feature. That means that YouTube is still working on improving this research tab feature. Here are the pros and cons of using YouTube's new research tab and my recommendation. Number one, it's a quick and easy way to do content planning for future videos on YouTube channel because you can do the research right within YouTube. Number two, you can explore what your audience and viewers across YouTube are searching for on YouTube. Once you've discovered a search term that has a high search volume, it may be worth making a video on that search term so it ranks in search engines. Number three, find content gaps as a starting point for videos that don't yet exist or videos that need to be improved on your channel. You can quickly find these content gaps by exploring the search terms that are relevant to your YouTube channel. This could be helpful when creating a video series based upon a common theme. Number four, discover trending topics. If you discover a hot trend in your niche based upon your research in Google Trends, it may be worth making a video on that trend so you can drive a lot of traffic to your channel. Number five, come up with future video ideas. The new research tab is a quick way to generate ideas for future YouTube videos based upon searches across YouTube. Here are some of the cons. Number one, some of the search results don't make any sense. Like this search result that came up during the research. Hopefully YouTube will improve this feature as they go forward. Number two, it doesn't show the number of videos in the search results like TubeBuddy does. Click the link in the description to get the TubeBuddy keyword research tool. Number three, it doesn't show the number of monthly searches as what TubeBuddy does. Number four, it doesn't show the related searches as what the Keyword Explorer tool does in TubeBuddy. Number five, it doesn't show the current top ranking videos on the search results as well as the thumbnails. Therefore, I highly recommend using the Keyword Explorer tool in TubeBuddy as a complement to the YouTube Research tab. This will help you to get more accurate results when doing keyword research for your future YouTube videos. Number six, lack of availability. When I asked my subscribers on YouTube, have you used the new research tab in YouTube Analytics? Only 22% said yes, I like it. 67% said no, I don't have it yet. And 11% said yes, but I don't use it. Currently, it looks like it's only available in these 5 countries, but will become available in more countries in the future. So Herman, what's your best recommendation on how to use the research tab? The most useful feature of the research tab is your viewer searches because it explores the searches that are most relevant to your channel based upon what your viewers are searching for on YouTube. This allows you to find the content gaps as a starting point for videos that don't exist or need to be improved. You'll also discover what search terms your audience uses the most to find your videos on YouTube. But Herman, how can I create clickable, catchy video titles so people will click and watch my videos? Watch this video on the screen right now for 10 title tweaks to get more views on YouTube. You'll be glad you did.